Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is gonna be a special day because it's my first vlog for my YouTube channel, but it's nothing special, just a vlog on my vaccination day for the COVID-19 vaccination. It's gonna be my first dose, and I'm gonna go to one of our local vaccination centers here in Johor. So yeah, I just wanna do a quick vlog and maybe just bring you guys on this journey where all of us all around the world is going to get our first jab, our first dose of the COVID-19 vaccination. So stay tuned and let's see what's coming up next. Okay.
Weeks later.
Okay, so guys, as you can see from the video is the whole process of my vaccination day, and it's been about 2 weeks since the vaccination day, so it's like 14 days after the first dose of injection for the COVID-19 vaccine. The vaccine that I take is AstraZeneca, so it's AZ for short term, and to be honest, it doesn't really have much of an effect. Except for the first day, the day after the injection of the vaccination, it still feels okay, but during the night, somewhere around 3 in the morning, midnight, you're starting to feel shivering. It's so cold, and yeah, I just quickly call my father and I take some pills to calm myself down, and then the next day the whole body is just aching, like the joints are pain, not the muscles though, but it's the bones and the joints, and just feel tired, not trying to move around. So I stay at home about 4 to 5 days, just try not to go out and rest myself. So now after 2 weeks I feel much more better. So I think vaccine is definitely important for us in our way back to going back to our normal life. It's a part of a process, and I really hope a lot of people could go and take the injection of the vaccine for against the COVID, or maybe the Delta virus coming soon as well to some countries. But in terms of my country, a lot of things is starting to going back normal. Cinemas is trying to open, so does restaurants and everything. So in order to go back to all of that, the most safe that we can do is, you know, to get vaccine and just keep ourselves safe. It's not 100% guaranteed, but why not? Better than nothing, right? So hope you guys enjoy the video, and if you have got your vaccine, good for you. But if you don't, do consider and try to get vaccine as soon as possible if your country already have this vaccination program keep going on. And if you really have the chance, quickly take it, because a lot of people around the world doesn't really have the privilege to take it that soon. So if you do have the chance, grab the opportunity and take it. And yeah, So that's all, and I'm really hoping to get back to normal life, and I really want to bring you to do a vlog to my local team, maybe bring you to a stadium, how I usually go and see footballs in stadium, something like that. So yeah, just hope everything goes back normal, and we'll see you in the next video. We're gonna come out with a lot of unboxing with Funko Pops as well, which I just recently get into. So see you in the next video. Hope you guys enjoy today's vlog, and it's my first vlog, so hopefully you shouldn't be too bored, and yeah, see you in the next video. Bye.